Let's take a look at this outdoor station with a full aluminum panel, and it looks like very high-end. We have camera here and the filling lines outside the camera. The microphone is there, and we have 2.8-inch display. We have keypad here, car readers here, the speaker is right there. Next, we are going to introduce the unlock by calling the indoor monitor. The door can be opened by the indoor monitor. We can also use a card to open the door. Next, we are going to show how to register a car by pushing the pound key and enter key to enter the system setting. Input the password and system setting. In this setting, we can set the time, volume, language, pin, and unlock time. And we choose the car setting. Register. Then we swipe the car. Click OK. Yeah, we are successful. Next, we are going to show how to make a call in standby mode by press the home to call the guide unit. Then, the visitor also can input the room number to call. Also, the visitor can press the up and down to select the name to make a call.